So planning experiment question. The first part is you plan the experiment. We did the first 6 questions from this. Question 7. A sample of a furniture cleaner contain an aqueous sodium chloride, aqueous ammonia, and sand. Give a test to show the presence of ammonia in the mixture. How we can test there is ammonia present? What's a test to check the presence of ammonia? Ammonia is a gas. Ammonia is the only alkaline gas. How we can test that? That's right. We can, yeah, damn red litmus. So if you want to test the ammonia gas, so what we should use a damp red litmus. And what we'll observe, it will turn blue. So damp red litmus, it will turn blue because ammonia is alkaline. So if it is an acidic gas, then we use blue litmus, it will turn red. Like example, if you want to test chlorine gas or sulfur dioxide, we can use that. The next part is 7th part. We plan an investigation to obtain a sample of a pure water from the mixture. So we have sodium chloride, we have aqueous ammonia, and we have sand. And we want the pure water from them. So what we should do if we want to obtain a pure water? So first what we'll do, like example, take a mixture in a beaker or a conical flask. You can also, yeah, we call that as a distillation rather than fraction distillation. So what we do, we take a round bottom flask you can take. So we'll take a round bottom flask and we'll add a mixture. And this round bottom flask is connected to a condenser. The purpose of the condenser is to remove the heat energy. And at the top it is closed. So when we supply the heat energy from the bottom, so the water will turn into vapor. And then using a condenser, we'll remove the heat energy. So as the energy is removed, the water will condense and we'll get water in a liquid state. So if you want to obtain a pure water from the mixture, heat the mixture and then condense by using a condenser. So here the first point, heat the mixture. And then second point, condense the vapor. By condenser. If you want to obtain a pure sand from the mixture, so sand is insoluble. If it is insoluble substance and we want to obtain from the mixture, what should be done? What we could do to obtain sand from this mixture? We have a mixture of aqueous ammonia, like ammonia is mixed with water, sodium chloride dissolve, aqueous, and sand is there. So which method we should use? We should use a filtration. But how you'll score all the marks? Filtration will not score full marks. So like only writing filtration is not the answer. So what you have to do, first you have to pass the, like use filtration, that is the point. Then we'll pass the mixture through filter paper. The sand will left on the filter paper as a residue. Then we should wash and dry. Wash with the distilled water and dry with the tissue paper. So that's how we obtain a pure, so because we want a pure sample, so it must, how we can purify that? We should wash and then dry. So insoluble substances, when you obtain, you should always wash them and then dry. Okay. So this was a planning experiment question. At the end of the session, you will write your answers and send the picture.